name is Nurwahyuni. Here we are from Group 4, which consists of Putri Herditaliana, Nurwahyuni, Raffi Uthari Wicaksono, and Rahmatrian Sabutro. We'll make a video about shading questions and answers. Question number 1 to 3 Nurwahyuni, question number 4 to 5 Rahmatrian Saputro, question 6 to 7 Raffi Uthari Wicaksono, and question 8 to 10 Putri Herditaliana. Let's start. Number 1. When is the proper time for transplanting the seedlings? Answers. The proper time for sowing seeds for transplant depends upon when plants might safely be moved out of doors in your area. Number 2. What factors should gardeners consider before transplanting seedlings? Answers. Speed of germination, the rate of growth, and the culture conditions provided. Number 3. What happens if you sow seeds too early under poor light and temperature? Answers. This usually results in tall, weak, spindly plants which do not perform well in the garden.
Number 4. For very small seed, what should the substrate be like? For very small seed, at least the top 1/4 in should be in screen mix or a layer of vermicelli. Number 5. What are the advantages of swing medium and layering seed in rows? Good leak in air, move it in if mold killing. I press list likely to spread.
Number 6. How should you sow medium and large seed in containers? Answer. By the way, make growers onto 2 inches apart. Depth 1 height of an inch across the surface of the container using a narrow board of pot label. Number 7. What is pregermination? Answer. Pregermination is a method of growing seed before planting. Reduces germination time as temperature and humidity are easy to control.
Question number 8. What are the advantages of pregermination? Answer. The advantage of pregermination can grow seed before planting first. Question number 9. How do you make gel to suspend pregerminated seed? Answer. How to make gel is best blending cornstarch with boiling water until the consistency is thick enough so that the seed remains suspended. Make sure to cool down completely for us. Question number 10. What is the function of the gel? Answer. The function of the gel is to place the germinated beds moist until the seed grow on the ground. Okay, thank you guys.